Hello everybody, how's it going? It's a beautiful day with mental and physical fitness. So today actually I wanted to share a video with you about why most relationship doesn't work or why it doesn't last long and how to make it last long and to pass that level. Okay, but before I start doing that, go ahead and like or dislike, throw a comment, subscribe. I wanted to see what you think and what's in your mind, whatever I'm saying, does it make sense to you? Do you understand what I'm saying? Are we on the same page or something? Just but you've been experienced, man. Just sharing experience with you. It's all about experience, but this is my board and I'm gonna draw it out today. Okay? It's gonna be natural drawing out. Let's get to it. Alright. So why most relationship doesn't work? Well, most relationship doesn't work because here, this is the man, this is the woman, a gender, woman, man. This is the relationship R and 50%. Okay? 0 and 0. So when you meet a girl, when you meet a guy, and you guys talk, and you guys or go ahead and get into relationships, and in the middle of the relationships, you just see things falling off, or you see things you don't feel the same, or you think the other person is cheating on you, and you're just not around. It's because majority of the time, one of them did too much. You see what I'm saying? One of them did too much and got the other person to get really comfortable and really like they don't have to put any effort or anything like that, and they just started moving around. They can just go ahead and slip around. They feel like they got really comfortable because there's nothing they have to prove because the other person just took over the space. For example, this is the woman right here, okay? So the reason I use that because this most of the time that's what women do. It's like women do. Men does that, but women does that a lot. But this is the woman. She goes all the way right here to the main relationship space. You see what I'm saying? Like you're not giving the man time to breathe. You're not even giving the man time to provide or giving the man time to show or to prove or to put an effort that he wants you, because you're just all over his face and not letting him breathe or show anything. I'm not saying it in a bad way. It could be a good way. It is actually a good way because women always want to show good things, always want to give all things. You know what I'm saying? They want to be there with you all the time. It's not bad. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay? So, but what it does to me, like I said, gets comfortable and then he wanted to do other stuff. And that doesn't just happen one way. It happened both ways, but I'm just using one example. But what really makes the relationship works is when a man and a woman meets in the middle. That's what really makes the relationship works. Okay? Because when they meet in the middle, they both put efforts that they wanted to make it work. No, just one person putting all the effort and the other person is just relaxing. And next thing, the other person do something, then this person lose trust, and it just all goes in a mess. All right? We don't want that. We want to meet in the middle. There's nothing wrong with going a little bit over the middle sometime in a special event just to show our appreciation. You see what I'm saying? There's nothing wrong with that, but then make sure you come back to the middle, and that's how we'll make it work. Okay, whatever I'm sharing it with you right now, it is a relationship time. You see what I'm saying? It's you passing that relationship time. But when you get to a married level, this doesn't exist in a married level, in a married life, because when you pass, this is a relationship level, you pass and get to a level, but to pass this level right here is the hardest part. You know what I'm saying? But when you up there, you don't worry about it. Actually, in a married level or a marriage relationship, it's the other way around. I'll put that in a different video. It's just the opposite. But just try to understand each other, try to give each other time, trying to give each other time to appreciate one another, to show the effort that you actually, like I said, want to make it work. Don't just overdo things, man or woman. Don't just go there or just bother the other person, because we human beings, we need time to ourselves. Okay? This is it for today. Peace, everybody. I like this one. Just you start